Hello YouTube. This time on the SL55 I thought I would share with you some preventive maintenance that I've done. A few weeks ago I noticed in the service booklet from Mercedes-Benz that beyond service A and B you could have items to change on the car. So that involves fluids and filters, and that's what I've done. I've asked a garage to change all the fluids and filters on the SL55 as a preventive maintenance. So I want to share with you the parts that were changed and some of the origin of these parts. For instance, some of these are surprising. So the first ones are the two air filters. That's what they look like. It's a pair. And you can see the code like this. It's a MAN, M-A-N-N C3689, made in Germany. The date code is 110701. And these are each side of the supercharger. So these are pretty common and not surprising. With air filters, you always, you should change the charcoal filters. These are activated charcoal filters. They're also done by MAN. Hope you can see the part number there. They're MAN, again, CUK 2241, made in the Czech Republic, and they're situated above the passenger above the passenger footwell. Then I had the fuel filter changed. And this one, I believe it's located underneath the car. You need to remove one of the protective plates there. This one is made by a company called Knecht. I'm not sure you can see that well. K-N-E-C-H-T. Part numbers are KL65 or Mercedes-Benz 002-477-2701. This one was made in Germany with a date code of 17.11.02. So again, it dates, at the beginning or at the period the car was made, which is in 03 time frame, 2003. It's 16 years old. It has over 100,000 kilometers, and that's why I'm doing all these things. Next is the ABC fluid and filter change. This is the filter for the ABC system. And this one is Mercedes-Benz A003-184-5101. It was made in Germany, and the date code was 1902, so the 19th week of 2002. And when I made this change, I already had some fluids for the ABC system that was given to me by the previous owner, Pentocin CHF11S, and the place where I did this fluid change refused to use other liquids than what they were proposing. So I ended up with whatever they put in. Then I changed the 16 spark plugs, and those are all made by Bosch, and Bosch R6 double platinum, part number FR6MP-P332. What's interesting is that 4 of the spark plugs have Germany written on them, Germany 419, and while 12 of the spark plugs, same brand, same part number, said China 456 on them. I thought that was interesting. And now, the previous owner did tell me that he had changed the transmission fluid once. Now, I don't know when that was done. I think it was done in 2017, it's not for sure. But these were changed again, by the garage, and surprise to me, the filter that was installed by the previous owner was a made in China filter. And the part number 16546 PA66-GF334, made in China. Date code is 17th week of 2017. So I'm glad I changed this filter because I think it was lower quality, probably made in China. I'm not sure, but I'm just glad that this was done again on the car. Here's the gasket also that was changed on it at the same time. When you change the transmission filter and fluid, you change the gasket because you access it through a plate on the bottom of the car. And lastly, engine oil and filter. I didn't ask for that, but what the garage told me is that they just inspected the filter, which is situated on the top of the engine. It's easily found, and they noticed it was made of cardboard. So they said they changed it for a proper Mercedes-Benz filter. This is the filter that was installed on the car. And this one says that it's a Fram filter, CH84H1Y15434, and it was made in China again. So that's possibly not the best product to put in that German car. So there you go. Those are all the things that I've changed on this car as a preventive maintenance. I hope that it helps you, or of you learn a couple of things. This cost locally here $2,800, which is about $2,100 US. And so I'm just glad I did this as a preventive maintenance to make sure that I'm ready for the next few years. Those are things that you change only after 100,000 kilometers or 15 years. So I'm good for a few years. All right, thank you. Additional information on the shop that did the work. They are a local Mercedes-Benz specialized shop, but they are not a Mercedes-Benz dealer. The difference between the two is significant. It's the hourly rate, and this independent shop charges $99 Canadian, while the local Mercedes-Benz dealer charges $167 an hour Canadian.